Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you don't miss any videos from GS Kid TV.
I had 3 Hot Wheels in my kit. That was a great color Hot Wheel. This thing is just the right size to go put in. I just made a bridge. I just already chopped it. Ah! Mama, I don't got enough Hot Wheels connected to connect the Hot Wheel tracks. If I did that, it'll be even longer.
Hi, Grayson. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo.
I didn't know 4 Hot Wheels could go at once. I don't know those 4 could go at once. I didn't know 4 Hot Wheels could go at once, Mom. See, that's Hot Wheels that have 4 Hot Wheels on the Hot Wheels rack. Normally, you just put 1 Hot Wheels rack on, and then 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. You can put 4 toys.
Do it. You are doing it right. Oh my. You gonna climb inside? You gonna get stuck?
I like to put all this stuff out first.
Yeah.
And then
I don't think we should do that.
that's how I get these days. I found another monster truck. But it doesn't work on the Hot Wheels.
Can you show it to everybody? Monster truck.
It's a Hot Wheels monster truck. It says Hot Wheels on it. But it doesn't fit on the Hot Wheels.
No, monster trucks don't fit on Hot Wheel tricks.
I know.
What happened? Oh, you got it. Oh, I think we're making a mess. Split? Don't split now. Monster truck crash. Baseball bat crash. Mickey Mouse hand crash. Oh, that broke nicely. Just emptying out. You're not gonna empty out the whole toy box, are you? Frisbee. Frisbee. Train track. What are we finding? Oh. Oh, wow. You remember those?
Yes. I don't remember these. They used to be out like this.
Oh, we're digging on the treasure hunt. Oh, 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 oh.
I found another one of these.
Oh, it shoot disc, but where are the discs?
There used to be some that came with this.
Some discs used to be on the inside of it. Oh, look at the floor. A mess. Goggles. Aviator goggles. I don't know what this too. There's lots of toy parts that probably need to go in the dumpster.
What's a dumpster?
Garbage can. Big garbage can outside. What you think? More stuff in the floor. Oh, he's gonna clean all this up. Nerf gun. Never point a gun in your face.
It's just a Nerf gun.
Steal and may shoot something in your face.
What?
Whoa, another Nerf gun. Oh, is it working? Is it gonna come out? Don't point it in your face. Nothing. Won't come out. Uh-oh. Yeah, it won't work. Aha. Aha. Ah. can't screw off?
Yes, we always go.
Me?
Yes.
I can't get it off.
You are grown up.
I'm a grown up, right? Oh, it came off. This part?
Yes.
Okay. Now they're gonna all fall out. Yep. So now they're not gonna stay in at all. How about you put all those toys back, Grayson? Here's a disc that goes into that orange little
Like that one?
This the disc that used to go in that little gun you had. Pitch. One fit.
No, what about what's in today? Oh, I found a little walking.
Mm-hmm.
That's the baby walking.
What's inside the toy chest? Going on a toy chest hunt. Going on a toy chest hunt.
I found another one of these.
Train track. In the pile. Lightning McQueen backpack. Oh, in the pile.
Ooh. There's another one of this one.
Nerve. Oh, race car. Race car. Oh, look at the floor. Look at the floor. All the toys. All the toys. Digging more. Digging more. Wow, wow. Somebody gonna have a lot to clean up. His name is Grayson. Uh-oh. Stop. Whoa. Whoa, what is that? Does it still work? Does it? Nope.
I found another one of these.
Oh, it's a bowling pin. So you got the big giant bowling pins, and then you have those that have balls inside. Digging, digging, digging in the toy chest. Treasure hunt. Oh, it's a Valentine's bear. Oh, gosh. Show them how you really feel, Grayson. You pressing the carpet back and everything. Fix the carpet, Grayson. Look at it. Look. Pull it out.
Let me tell you what. You actually good.
It's stuck. You have to move the bowling pin bag. In the corner it went.
Well, you remember when we bought those?
The race cars, yeah, sorta.
We used to buy
Oh, the two guns, the two Nerf dart guns. What was that?
I don't know.
Rubble. Rubble from Paw Patrol.
I play Paw Patrol on my Nintendo Switch.
Yes. Oh gosh. Don't fall in.
I don't fall in.
Please don't fall in.
I'm not a boy.
Oh my gosh, lots of toy parts. Oh gosh, such a pile, such a pile.
I build piles.
Yeah, you're building quite a pile there.
Is a pig on the foot? The line car that used to go with this. Oh, I like these.
More goggles.
So you can look on the window.
In your Peppa Pig voice. Oh. Okay. Pig snort. More glow-in-the-dark train tracks.
Amazing. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Uh-oh.
What's this?
Don't know.
Nothing.
Why? Why are you in there? Look at the floor, man. Shrek.
If one more as a 4 is wrong, or we'll test the one more as is 4.
Grayson, you know you gotta clean all that up, right? Seriously. Okay, come on, start cleaning. What? Are you serious? You don't get up out of these toys now. Come on, get the picking. Get to picking. Will you pick up all these toys? Later. Glad you think it's funny.